Eventually, my civil rights organization was beginning to pick up great momentum because soon I was getting lots of invitations to speak at Black churches all across the South. And then one day, after speaking at a church in Memphis, I had the honor of meeting their head pastor. And from that moment on, there was an instant connection.
Welcome to Face the Americans. Today we're joined by Dr. Ruthie Dolores Jameson, civil rights leader and president of Valletta College. Dr. Jameson is quickly emerging as a powerful new voice in the modern civil rights movement. Dr. Jameson, some are calling you the female version of Dr. Martin Luther King. How do you respond to that comparison?
This entire movement is not about me or who I might be similar to. It's about Black people fighting for equal rights in a country that's always classified us as being just second-class citizens.
But what do you say to those who claim America is a land of freedom, where the Negro has the same opportunities to advance as anyone else in this country?
Now, you see, that's easy to say when the system works for people who look just like you. But for my people, opportunity comes with chains, like Jim Crow laws, voter suppression, unequal schools.